Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Which of the following have maximum calorific value? B. Fats. Which of the following vitamins promote healthy function of eyes and human beings? Vitamin A.
Correct.
The average heartbeat per minute in the normal man is 70.
Correct.
A person with which of the following blood group can receive blood of any group?
Correct.
AB. Malaria is a disease which affects the spleen.
Correct.
Which of the following disease is caused by virus? Smallpox.
Correct.
Medulla oblongata is a part of human brain.
Correct.
Myopia is a disease connected with eyes.
Correct.
Leukemia is a disease of the blood.
Correct.
Short-sightedness can be corrected by using
Incorrect.
concave lens. Short-sightedness can be corrected by using concave lens.